Oh, hey, how are you? Thanks for stopping by Cooking with the Captain. My name's Scott. I'm the owner of this channel. I'm going to keep it short and sweet with you simply because I've done 500 of these takes so far and I'm no good at it. What I am good at, though, are the recipes that you're seeing on my channel. I owned a burger joint for the last 15 years called Between the Bun, and I made some insane burgers and hot dog creations. That's not all you're going to see. I also do other stuff, but my main focus is doing unique and crazy hot dog and burger creations. So do me a favor, like the videos, give us a comment or two. Let me know what you like and what you don't like, and then subscribe to the channel and share it. I would appreciate the love and the feedback. Also, you'll see a line of sauces and seasonings in the videos that I use, and I actually created those and bottled them, and you can find them at flavoryourmeat.com. So get there. If you see something you like, get a couple bottles, and we'll ship it directly to your door. So thanks again for stopping by. Again, my name is Scott. This is Flavor Your Meat and Cooking with the Captain. Now, without further ado, our next video.